Love is something beyond the excitement of romance and being in love. It is a committed, thoughtful decision. Love is nurturing. Love is listening. Love is caring about your partner. Love lightens burdens because you divide them. Love intensifies joys because you share them. Always believe in one another. Always expect the best of one another. And above all else, always support one another in everyday living. Family and friends, we are witnesses to the union of two individuals who choose to commit to a life together. Our responsibility as their friends and witnesses is to provide them as a couple with our love and support.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh,
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile.
so just stay for a little while.
So long when you go, and I can't get enough of you. So can't you stay a little while? I don't want you to leave, so stay with me.
Stay for a little while.
Inasmuch as Brad and Jennifer have given themselves to each other by solemn vows, with the joining of hands and the giving of a ring, before God and these witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss your
My
bride.
heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that
I
you
now
stay
present to you
for
Mr.
a
and Mrs.
little
Brad
while.
Williams.
You fix